Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our Excellency Sri Bina Insani, Digital Speech Competitions Project Officer, Honorable to judges, respectable to the viewers, speakers, participants, and my loving audiences. First of all, let's thank to Allah who always gives us very much comfort. From the smallest comfort to the biggest comfort, a divine gift of grace for each human being in His world. The comfort was placed in no difference between small men or big men, and between any strong men, until we can assemble in this happy place and time. I am Erian Putra Asyakur from Jakarta State Polytechnic. Let me deliver my speech to the most honorable audience all. Ladies and gentlemen, 1st of December is reminding us to the World HIV and AIDS Day. Why? Because year ago, the name was the World Health Day. Because of the tagline, avoid the virus, not the people. And almost all the people in this world afraid to the HIV and AIDS infected people, it makes the name is changed to the World HIV and AIDS Day. So what is HIV and AIDS? Ladies and gentlemen, HIV and AIDS, both of acronyms that are always closely related, which always associated with terrible things, scary, even always ringing about that. Human immunodeficiency virus, a deadly virus that causes the body immunity to decline in fighting viral, bacterial, fungal infection, easily damaging the body immunity and causing a disease named the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Almost every level of our life must have experience of socialization, seminars, face-to-face conversation, and all the bad things, the bad impact of HIV's knowledge. So automatically, we as the young generation, we already know more than it. But the social control in our life is not has been deeply to our life, to our mind, to our soul until now. Especially for us as the young generation. So what is social control? Social control is a mechanism to prevent a social deviation. So let's focus on the social control on avoiding HIV and AIDS. Ladies and gentlemen, an ounce prevention is worth a pound of cure. This main slogan in terms of health is always be a white line in us on doing the bad acts that have the bad impact to our life, to our health. Because the HIV and AIDS is the disease that has not yet found a cure. So we as young generation, we must always make this white text to be better, to be Indonesia that's health without HIV and AIDS. Ladies and gentlemen, in 2017, search from UNAIDS, there were 36 million people, all part of the world, were living with HIV and AIDS. 1 million of them are children. 35 million are adults all over the world. Unfortunately, 25% of them, around 9 million of the HIV and AIDS infected people, they don't know that they have infected of the HIV and AIDS. Do you see it? How Indonesia came to be the bigger country in this world with the HIV and AIDS, the young generation? Because the young generation is the next generation that must build the great generation on the health country, the health generation, the health social, and all the sector like now. Because Indonesia and the young generation is the both to be the Indonesia which until now. So what's the solution? I have some of solution. Control our social life. Avoid, learn, and find out. The verse is find out. Why? Because find out all the causes, cycles, effects, and consequences from the disease. Learn in depth, strongly, consequently, and intensively to all of the causes that we have found out. And the last is avoid. So how we can avoid it? We can avoid it, we can do it mainly by, first, never use the injection needles alternately. Second, avoid the free sex. Third, do the vaccine. Fourth, pre-exposure prophylaxis. Fifth, avoid drugs, and so on. With this solution, we are, as the young generation, we believe that Indonesia will be better than before. That Indonesia will be the great country without HIV and AIDS. So the 1st December will become the great HIV and AIDS World Day with Indonesia without HIV and AIDS. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all from me to this point. I personally would like to thank you for your kind attention. And I'm looking forward to another opportunity of seeing you all again soon. Before last, I'd like to say further once more, Indonesia will be to be the health country with Indonesia without HIV and AIDS. Glory Indonesia. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.